You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words that look rather similar but have different meanings and quite different pronunciations as well. The top word means something that you cannot see, that is totally transparent, you can't see it. It's invisible. It comes from the word vision, of course. Invisible, so it's the opposite of visible. Invisible, invisible, invisible. Now the bottom word means that you cannot destroy, something you cannot beat or destroy. Invincible. Invincible is your bottom word here, something that you cannot defeat. Invincible versus invisible. Invisible, invincible. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.